Welcome to Mastering the Singing Audition, Working with the Accompanist. If you plan to audition for a singing role, how you collaborate with the accompanist in the audition room can either help or hurt your chances. In this three-part workshop, you'll learn a clear, repeatable protocol for collaborating with the accompanist that helps you get the results you want. I'm Christopher Lloyd Bratten-Zappala. I'm a pianist, a music director, and an educator. I've worked hundreds of auditions, both at the piano and behind the table. I've coached performers on auditions that resulted in Broadway credits. I've accompanied callbacks for actors including Megan Hilty and Katharine McPhee on Smash. And I co-founded a production company that ran quarterly auditions, casting artists such as Evan Rachel Wood, Derek Klena, and Rumer Willis. I've seen time and time again that the singer-pianist interaction can be the deciding factor. It's tough to watch a strong performer undercut their own work because they fumbled the handoff at the piano. The accompanist isn't a hurdle, they're your ally. This workshop gives you the tools to make that partnership work. It'll teach you a simple method for aligning both of you before your first note. Let's begin.